Hello T-Pros, and welcome back to my IT workshop. This is Alvendril, and in this video we are going to be checking these iFox waterproof Bluetooth speakers, because as you know, I like Bluetooth speakers. So this is the box. iFox Creations is the brand, so you can see the logo there. The box is very simple, nothing too fancy, nothing too cheap. It's just, nice presentation in my opinion. So iFox production, as you can see there, and now we're going to open the box. So as always, I'm struggling with opening boxes. So once I take the cover out, you can see how it looks. So this is the one. As you can see, it's black and it has this cover that is golden. And it's kind of thick, but it's not heavy at all. And it has this suction in the back, so you can attach it to a metallic surface or glass. So as you can see, the power button, the stop, to answer the phone or a call, and this is the microphone. So those are basic buttons. It doesn't have many. So what else is in the box? So it has the classic micro USB charger. So this one is longer, so I like that a lot. Other models have very short chargers. I wish these were USB-C, but hey, what can you do? It's not a deal breaker. What else is in the box? So you have this kind of holder. I'm going to use this for my shower because I like to listen to music while I take showers. So maybe I'm going to use this one. So you can hang it somewhere. So what else is in here? So you have the warranty, 1 year warranty. So if it breaks, you have 1 year to get a new one. And now this is the manual. I'm going to summarize the most important traits. So the power is 5 watts, pretty standard. The charging time 3 hours, and it can play for around 6 hours. Bluetooth 5.0, IP grade IP67, which means it can be underwater for around 30 minutes. So that's pretty great. And the battery capacity is 650 milliamps per hour. So now, as you can see, I'm going to pair it with my desktop computer, so that's easy for me to record. But of course, you can use your cell phone, your tablet, or any other device Bluetooth capable. So I'm going to press the button for a few seconds. So you hear the noise, and now it's blinking because it's trying to pair with something. So now I'm going to do it with my desktop computer. As you can see, it's not blinking anymore. So now we're going to test it with a few songs. So that's how it sounds. So I'm going to remove this. So this is the speaker. More volume. Less volume. So that's the lowest. So that's how it sounds. And we're going to test with another song now. Stop it. Now I'm going to do something. Allow me a few seconds. So I have a glass with water. Well, it's not, it's a container, glass container. So we're going to put it underwater. So as you can see, this is the charger. Always keep it covered. And we're going to see if it's really IP67. So we're going to put it on inside of water. So it's not fully covered, but we're going to test it anyway. So we're going to turn it around so you can see that the water is everywhere. So we're going to see if it works. water, out of water. So as you can see, it's working. So we're going to test with one more sound. So that's how it sounds, even inside water, outside of water. So allow me a few seconds. I'm going to dry it up a little so we can continue. So now that it is dry, we're going to continue. As you can see and hear, this device is still working. We have put it inside water, we have removed it from water, we have tested while it was inside the water, and it still works. So I'm going to put back the suction. Like I mentioned, I'm going to use this device in my shower because, again, I like to listen to either audiobooks or music while I'm taking a shower or cleaning the bathroom for that matter. And if, as you can see here, the device is thick, is round, but it's not heavy at all. It's very, very, very light. This device is loud enough, maybe not for a big party, but for a small room or I don't know, 3 to 7 friends, it's good enough. I mean, you can hear the sound clearly. It's loud enough. So in my opinion, it works. It's worth for the price. So let me know, would you get it? Or you have another Bluetooth speaker that is waterproof? Let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. If you have any other comment or questions, again, leave it in the comment section below. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.